Hello, welcome to Constantine Puppets Show, starring me, Paul Hovey. We start out with Constantius and Constantine.
A new son, rejoice!
Wah! Wah! Constantinus was an officer in the Roman army when Constantine was born, but was promoted to governor of Dalmatia by Diocletian in 285. Diocletian split the empire into two parts.
I split the empire into two parts.
For he felt it was too large to be effectively governed by one individual. He chose Maximian, an old colleague of his, to govern the other half of Rome. Constantius was promoted in office by Diocletian, and to move up even further, he divorced his present wife Helena and married Flavia Maximina Theodora, a stepdaughter of Maximian. This moved Constantine to the court of Diocletian, where he gained a good education. In 305, Diocletian was dying and wanted to resign.
I'm dying.
He made Constantinus emperor, and Galerius the Augustus, and Severus and Maximin were made Caesars. This angered Constantine, who thought he should be Caesar since he was the bloodline. Eventually his dad died, and he pronounced Constantine as Augustus before he died. Soon afterwards spread all of Gaul considered Constantine as Augustus. Constantine sent word to Galerius of this action, and Galerius made him Caesar and gave him the title of Augustus to Severus instead.
I am angry.
Constantine controlled Gaul, Britain, Hispania, Germania, giving him the largest armies. A lot of wars ensued, and soon the four Caesars were Constantine, Licinius, Maximinius, and Maxentius. Constantine sided with Licinius and Maximinus, and Maxentius sided together.
Use this cross as a safeguard, and I, God, will make you victorious in war.
Okay, got you, God.
Constantine fought Maxentius at the Battle of Milvian Bridge on October 28, 312. Constantine won the crucifix on his shield and became Augustus of the West with his victory. Constantine and Licinius met in 313 in Milan to create the Edict of Milan, which was neither an edict or in Milan, but it did give religious freedoms to all those oppressed by Diocletian. In 320, Licinius decided to revoke that freedom.
I am the best. I am the best. Hey there, Christian man.
I'm a Christian man. Ahoy, Emperor Licinius. What can I do for your majesty?
It would pleasure me greatly if you killed yourself.
Well, if it would please you. But why, might I inquire?
Because you are a Christian. Blech! I hate Christians.
Oh, no! And so it goes for a few months until...
Constantine,
Yes, messenger.
there have been increased reports of Licinius killing Christians.
That Licinius is really starting to grind my gears, messenger.
I propose you go fight him.
Well, who do you think you are, messenger? But I am Constantine. Fighting him does sound like a good idea.
Clash, clash, clang, clang, baby, bang, clang, clash.
Oh dear, I'm losing.
Clash, clash, clangity, clang, clang, bang, bang, bam, ba-doom, bow.
Oh dear, I lost.
You Christians are all now free to be Christian, just like you were before. Just now you won't be killed for it. Yay!
Oh dear, a year later I'll be dead.
And Lavinius was pwned. With the passing of the pagan versus Christian war, Constantine decided it was time to usher in a new era of Rome. So he appropriately made a new capital city.
What a long day. I couldn't come up with a better name for New Rome, so I just decided to name it after myself. Constantinople. Yes, royal name.
Constantine's wife Fausta and oldest son Crispus are reportedly having sex. Foster! Oh!
Now, where's this wonderful wife of mine?
Oh!
Foster?
Oh!
I believe she is with your son, Crispus.
That's me!
The agony! Kill them both and erase them from the past. Their crimes of existence shall never be recorded in the annals of history.
After that, Constantine fights some more wars against the Persians. Then he
Ah.
realizes that he's actually quite old.
I'm old. I'm old. I'm dying. I wish to be baptized in the Jordan River, since Christ
That's me.
should have been baptized there as well.
And be baptized you shall.
The end!
God struck Constantine down.
Thank you for tuning in to Constantine Puppet Show. I'm Paul Hovey. Good night and good luck.